Every morning, a new beginning. Every day, a small story waiting to be lived. Today, walk with me. Feel my joys, my small struggles, my hopes. Let's speak English slowly, meaningfully, together.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to this special session of English speaking practice. Today, we are going through a day in my life. Not just the routine, but the emotions behind it.
Yes, we will feel every moment. Notice the small things and speak slowly. Repeat after us so your English grows with your heart.
I wake up in the early morning. The sun is soft. The world is quiet.
Repeat. I wake up in the early morning. The world is quiet.
I open my eyes. I take a deep breath. The air feels fresh.
Repeat. I take a deep breath. The air feels fresh.
I stretch my arms. I feel my heartbeat. I feel alive.
Repeat. I feel alive.
I walk to the bathroom slowly. I wash my face. Water touches my skin, cool and gentle.
Repeat. I wash my face. The water is cool and gentle.
I brush my teeth slowly, carefully. I look in the mirror. I tell myself, today will be a good day.
Repeat. Today will be a good day.
I make a cup of tea. The smell fills the kitchen. I eat simple breakfast: bread, eggs, and fruit.
Repeat slowly. I eat simple breakfast: bread, eggs, and fruit.
I sit near the window. I watch birds fly. I feel calm, peaceful, thankful.
Repeat slowly. I feel calm, peaceful, thankful.
Small things, small moments, they matter.
Repeat. Small things matter. I leave home. The world outside is busy. Cars pass by. People walk fast. Voices everywhere.
I walk slowly. I notice the wind. I notice the colors of the sky.
Even small moments, walking, breathing, they make me feel alive.
At work, I meet people. I greet them with a smile. Sometimes they smile back, sometimes not. I greet people with a smile.
I learn patience. I learn kindness. Every small interaction teaches me something.
I sit down and I study English. I study English.
Sometimes it is easy. Sometimes it is hard. But I do not give up.
Every word I learn, every sentence I speak, it is a step forward. Every step forward matters.
Evening comes, the sky turns orange. I drink tea. I breathe. I think about the day.
Some moments were happy. Some moments were difficult. I accept them all. I accept all my moments.
I go for a walk. The wind touches my face. Leaves fall softly around me.
I look at the sky. I feel small, yet part of something big. I feel part of something big.
I spend time with my family. We laugh. We share stories. We hold hands.
We share stories. We hold hands. Family is love. Family is support. Even in silence, there is connection.
I eat dinner slowly, mindfully. I feel thankful for the food. I feel thankful for the food.
I clean up. I prepare for tomorrow. I take a deep breath. I take a deep breath.
Before sleeping, I write in my journal. I write about my feelings. I write about what I learned. I write about my feelings.
I am grateful. I am proud of myself. I am ready for tomorrow. I am ready for tomorrow.
I turn off the lights. I lie down in my bed. I close my eyes. I close my eyes.
I feel calm. I feel peaceful. I drift into sleep. I feel peaceful.
I am alive. I am learning. I am growing. I am thankful. I am peaceful. I am hopeful.
Every day is a gift. Every moment is precious.
Thank you for spending this emotional day with me. For speaking English, feeling every word, and being present in this moment.
Come back tomorrow. We will speak, feel, and grow together. Good night or good morning, wherever you are.